deposit RM3,200 in a savings account paying 6% compounded quarterly for 5 years. Find the compound amount and the interest earned at the end of the investment period. So first, you have to take out all the information given, where P is 3,200, K is 6%, M is 4, T is 5 years, I is 0.015, and N is 20. Next, you must find the compounded amount by using S equals to P 1 plus I powered by N. You can substitute the letters with the amount given in the text. Then, the total for the compounded amount will be 4,309 ringgit and 94 cents. With that, we can find the interest by using I equals to S minus P. The interest will be 4,309 ringgit and 94 cents minus 3,200, and we will get 1,109 ringgit and 94 cents. For question 2, Hakim received a bonus of 25,000 ringgit and wants to invest it for 5 years. Two investment options are available, which are option X, who offers 5.95% compounded monthly, and Y, who offers 6.1% compounded quarterly. The question asks to find the compounded amount for both options and recommend the better investment with the reasoning. So first, we take all the information given for X. K is 5.95%, which is 0.059, M is 12, I is 190 over 2400, and N is 60. We will use S equals to P 1 plus I powered by N and substitute it accordingly. We will get 33,637 ringgit and 47 cents. Whereas for option Y, K is 6.1%, which is 0.061, M is 4, I is 0.01525, and N is 20. Now, using the same formula and substituting the amounts accordingly, the answer will be 33,837 ringgit and 63 cents. With that, we can conclude that Y is the better bank to invest in because Hakim earns 200 ringgit and 16 cents more than option X.
Next, part B, question 1. This man was made a 10% down payment to purchase an office lot at price at 7,900 ringgit. The remaining balance was financed with a bank loan to be repaid in equal monthly installments of 7,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 2.5% compound annually. Number 1. Calculate the number of equal payments required. First, we list out the information. So A is 67,100. Why it is not 7,900? Because this man had made 10% down payment. A equal to 7,900 times 10%. We get 7,900. 7,900 minus 7,900. We get 67,100. And then we can change to R equal to 7,000. K equal to 2.5%. M equal to 12. I divide K and M, so we get 1 per 480. And M times T, we get 12T and T. Return to the question, they want the number of equal payment, which is we must find the N. So we use this formula: A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative N bracket divide to I. And then we fill all the information into the formula. 67,100 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 1 per 480 bracket power negative N bracket divide to 1 per 480. 1 per 480 we bring to other side, and then 67,100 times 1 per 480 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 481 per 480 bracket power negative N bracket, and get 1,404.375 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 481 per 480 bracket power negative N bracket, and then 7,000 we bring to other side. So 1,404.375 divided with 7,000 equal to 1 minus bracket 481 per 480 bracket power negative N. And then we get 0.200625. 1 we bring to other side, and then we be 0.200625 minus 1 equal to minus bracket 481 per 480 bracket power negative N. So get negative 0.799375 equal to bracket 1.00208333 bracket power negative N. We want to find N. Now we use log. So negative log 0.799375 equal to negative N times negative log 1.00208333, and then negative log 1.00208333 we bring to the side. So negative log 0.799375 divided with negative log 1.00208333, and then we get negative N equal to negative 107.59597. We times negative in both sides, get N 107.59597, and the final answer is N equal to 108 payments. After completing payments for 3 months, this bank fails to make the subsequent 2 monthly installments. How much is the buyer required to pay in the 3rd month to settle all outstanding areas? In the table, first, the 3rd month, payment was complete. For next 2 months, payment was not complete and he want to pay in third month. So the last calculation must plus 7,000 only. So the formula we use is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket power n. S equal to 7,000 bracket 1 plus 1 over 480 bracket power 2 plus bracket 1 plus 1 over 480 bracket power 1 bracket. And we get 14043.78. 14043.78 plus 7,000 and the final answer is 21043.78.
Part B, question 2. Ilyasa purchased a new motorcycle priced at Rm 38,000. He paid a 5% down payment for the motorcycle and the balance was financed by a bank at 3.97% per annum compounded monthly. The loan requires monthly payment of Rm 477.50 for 5 years. So here all the information I have listed. S is Rm 38,000 minus 38,000 times 5% equals to Rm 36,100. R is Rm 477.50 cent, K is 3.97%, T is 5 years, M is 12 months, and I is 0.0397 divided by 12. Question 1. If Ilyasa missed the first 2 monthly payments, calculate how much he must pay on the third month to settle the overdue payment and interest. For this question, we will be using future value, and the formula is S equals to R bracket 1 plus I close bracket in the power of n. So we can put all the number into the formula. Rm 477.50 cent bracket 1 plus 0.0397 divided by 12 close bracket in the power of 2 plus 1 bracket 1 plus 0.0397 divided by 12 close bracket in the power of 1. Rm 477.50 cent bracket 1.00662761 close bracket plus bracket 1.00330833 close bracket. Then Rm 477.50 cent times 2.009932.945 and Q2. Immediately after paying 15 months monthly payment, Ilyasa wants to settle the balance of the debt with a single payment. How much should this payment be? For this question, we will be using present value to find the answer. The formula we will be using is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket in the power of negative n close bracket divided by I. But before we solve the problem, we have to find the right n. So I have done the example to find the new n, which is n paid equals to 50. New n equals to n minus n paid. So 60 minus 50 equals to 10. But just to prove it right, I have another example, which is new p equals to 5 years minus 50 divided by 12, and the answer is 5 divided by 6. So we can put into the formula, which is n equals to m times t. So 12 times 5 divided by 6, so the answer is 10. Then we can put all the number into the formula. So Rm 477.50 cent bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0397 divided by 12 close bracket in the power of negative n close bracket divided by 0.0397 divided by 12. Then Rm 477.50 cent times 0.032489235 divided by 0.0397 divided by 12. Then Rm 15.51360971 divided by 0.0397 divided by 12. And the final answer is Rm 4,689.25 cents.